Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your mothers would practically build themselves. Hey folks, it's Mad Dog Merv and back out in the doghouse again. I got the grandkids again, which is just awesome. That's kind of why I've got all this built like this, is so they can come over and enjoy some time with Grandpa and enjoy being out in the yard and enjoy watching the trains run. And I even got treats in there. They're not just for me, there's some for the little ones too. So today we are going to look at a car. We're going to look at the Model Master, the Testors Model Master. This is an older kit. The Frankenstude. The Frankenstude. Let's take a look at this. It's got a bunch of different components. So here is the chassis. I mean, it's not real detailed. And there's the chassis. Here's the stewed body. I like that. It's got the doors are, outlined the trunk, and looks like it's supposed to have a tilt front end type thing. Really cool looking. I like this. We'll prime that up good, and I'm going to find a real sweet color to paint that. I have no idea what it'll be. Here's the rims. The rims are huge, but they're kind of a sunburst pattern, for lack of a better term. And they're white metal. We have glass. That's the important thing. You got glass especially for windows like this. Yeah, so we've got vacuum form windows. Sweet. And some nice fat tires to go on this thing. Your metal axle. And some photo etched parts, including the nose and some grills and taillights. So that's pretty cool. So let's look at the instructions. It tells you how to prepare the resin parts. And talks about priming, painting, glues, which is super glue. Just kind of a good thing to review if you've never built a resin kit before. They are very simple as far as the parts break down, but they are complex, and you got a lot of prep work. I mean, look at all the, flash from the resin. But there's, a bunch of prep work to go into this. But you look at what's on the, front of the box. And you go, wow, this can be really cool. So it can. I've built one of these before, not this one, but one similar. So it's going to be a fun build for us. So thanks for joining us. I'm going to go spend some time with the grandkids. See you next week, folks.